my own wonderful human imagination. By that power I create whatever I create. By that power I injure or bless myself. By that power I injure or bless anything in my world. It is only myself pushed out. Therefore, if I know this, it doesn't really matter where I start in life. If I start in a palace, I am no better off than if I start in the gutter, if I know who I am. For if I know who I am and starting in the gutter, I can rise to any level that I want in this world, if I know who I am. For that is the only power in the world. I could start at the top, not knowing who I am, go all the way down into the gutter. As we told you this past week, here is a DuPont. You think a DuPont could lose its money? And he dropped $31 million. And his friends are all wondering, how on earth could we get into this with a man whose grandfather or great-great-grandfather started the DuPont billion, and his present father is now the chairman of the board of that fabulous concern, and he loses $31 million, and now has declared himself a bankrupt. So you can start there and go to the gutter, or you can start in the gutter, as the great-great-great-grandfather did, and rose to the top. If I know who I am, and so what who I am, by being, I am, that's the name. When I say I am, where am I? I'm this garment. Well, that is the only Lord of the world. It's the only God of the world. Well, now what do I want? Well, now don't take any want into my consideration. Just what do I want? Now take my imagination and work it up to the state of vision. Well, how do I work it to the state of vision? Well, I take you, I take my wife, I take my child, I take my brothers, and let them see me as they would have to see me if I was a man that now I am assuming that I am. And so I work it up to vision. And suddenly, in my mind's eye, they appear, and they have to see me as I am assuming that I am. And then I listen in on their conversation, which implies that they do see me. It is a fact. And when I am completely satisfied that they do see me as I am seeing myself, then I break it. I drop it, knowing that that vision has its own appointed hour. And it ripens and it will flower. And if to me, who did it, it seems long, well then wait, for it is sure and it will not be late.